Hey guys, so as you can see from, I got some packages. So I got some package from SHEIN. I'm gonna open them together. I opened one of them already. You guys must have seen the previous video. You know this shit. So I'm gonna show you guys my haul. Alright, so first I got this skirt. I have some outfits in mind. This is a A-line skirt, pleated skirt, corduroy cream. So yeah, that is this. I'm gonna show you guys them on. So yeah, so that's that. I also got a white pants, a white cloth pants, wide leg. This is in the size large, and I think that one is 2. Because I'm a size large. I think I'm more large on the top. I can manage to wear medium on the bottom, but the glutes is glowing. But anyways, yeah. So a nice white, it's not linen but cloth pants. Alright, so next is this package. This, I think it's a shirt. Yeah, it's a cow neck. I think that's what they call it. Outer, is it outer? Yeah, it's an outer back or cow neck. It has that drop. Green shirt. It's very slinky. It's thin but not see-through. It has a nice little detail at the back. So yeah, that's this. Next is this. This is a black and white button down. I have a pants because what I'm trying to do is complete some outfits that I have. I have pieces that I've not worn because I don't find anything that I want to wear with it. I'm sorry for the sweat. It's hot. The summer is not upon us and I can't manage. I need to go in the AC. But anyways, so yeah, I have some outfits that, or pieces that I'm trying to make outfits out of. So this is piece to go with a pants that I have. So it's a white, black and white shirt. I actually wanted the opposite and clicked the wrong thing and got this, but it's fine either way because it will go with it same way. And I might just buy the black depending on if my OCD gets to my brain. But yeah, that's a nice button down. The buttons are silver. It's nice material. Next is this top. I just like this top and I want some tops to go out. So I got this one. It's one of those materials. If you know this material, they have so many pieces in this kind of material. Fabric, color and whatever, but yeah, it's this crisscross top, crop top. I think this can go with that skirt, the corduroy skirt. Kind of have a vibe. Let's see how they look together. Next, this can also be worn with that shirt. This is a leather skirt, pleated, kind of high rise or high waist skirts. Brown, chocolatey brown. So yeah, I have some ideas for this. Obviously I have not worn these yet, but yeah, I have some ideas. I just wish I have somewhere to go, but hopefully soon, or have time to go somewhere. Next, yeah. This is a gray top. I just love the cut of this, and I want some interesting intricate shirts. It's a one sleeve up, and then the bottom goes down, so it's like, ooh, yeah. And then you can scrunch it at the side to make it shorter. Sorry for the noise. To make it shorter, and it has this nice little gold detail, which I think is so cute. So yeah, and then it's a nice fluffy sorry material. This is off another top, I believe. I kind of know what everything is. Oh yeah, this mesh top. So it's a mesh crop top. I don't get the belly yet because you can see I've not been taking my progress and my supplement for my gut, so it's been bloated. But girl know how to flatten the belly, and that is the aim. So she grabbing for all the crop tops. So this is my black crop top, and I think all I have left from this package is accessories. So we have all the bags. So I have some shirts and stuff that need some tucking at the back, and I always seeing these and want them. So it's like all these accessories to adjust your clothing so that they can be a little bit more fitting in the back, and it adds a little scissors to it as well. They have different styles. I just got a pearl style because it will go with anything. Next I got some socks. If you watch the shoe video, sorry about my dogs if you can hear them. If you watch my shoe video, you saw the end of it. I tried it on with the socks. It's these socks. I got white, well, cream, black, and gray. So I'll be wearing my shoe and my socks, my cute little socksies. As I said, building some wardrobe, so I'm getting stuff to wear with a wardrobe. So this was for Juve. I got this for Juve Carnival season. I didn't wear it on Put It Back, so you guys will see it. I wore it to Juve. Yes, it was paid up and all, but I've sorted it out. I didn't wear the strap because I didn't want it to spoil. So it has a nice crossbody strap, silver hardware. So yeah. So it has the big part, has a small little zip that you can probably put some keys or something in, or cards or whatever. Yeah, that's that. This one is a gray purse with gold accent. But yeah, this is this. So let's see. A nice little blue bag. And I think you can elongate this. Something like that. To elongate the straps over the shoulder. Next, I have one more. This is a white bag. I don't have any white bags. I just got a white bag. Right, so where next will be my luxury bags, but for now I got these inexpensive ones. So this is a cute, of course SHEIN is doing the remakes and lookalikes of something out there. I don't know what this one is, but this is very cute. A nice little white and gold handbag. So you have you can draw this into a crossbody, and then this one you can use over the shoulder. So yeah, this one is very cute. I like it. Can't wait to wear them out. I need a white shoes to go with this, but I don't know what if I want to go heels or if I want to go something more platform or what. I don't know if I want to go with the shoes yet. Accessories. So this are some knee-high stockings. I wore these to Juve as well. Yeah, girl came out. If I have any good pictures I'll show you, because I didn't say it was night Juve. So yeah. And then I got a beret. A little really French moment. Yeah, so that's that. Let's look at the next package. Sorry, I just collected this, so I'm excited. And this is mostly accessories. Because as I said, finishing some outfits. Ooh, this looks even better in person. So I kind of saw most of those already, so I'm gonna be even more excited for these. So this is a platform, so a flat platform shoes. This is giving a little luxury look. There is something out there that this was made to look like, but yeah. So it has this where you just snatch and close, and it just sling around. It has this is a gold accent. I like this. Y'all gonna see what I bought to wear with this. So we have these shoes. Of course, you can wear with the heels as well. But on the days, like if you're going brunch or something, we can wear it with this. It feels so sturdy. Ooh, girl. Girl, lay. Girl, look at this. This looks so nice. So it has a little secret compartment here. It has zipper area. It has a strap. Crossbody strap. This is so nice. Ooh, guys. Ooh. Yeah, so this is to wear with this. Y'all see the vibe? Yeah. Oh, this is a cute top. Can't be worn with that white pants if the whites, you know how white goes. If the white goes. I think this was from Mod Store. I love things from the Mod Store because they give elegance and class, which I'm going for. So this cute little crop top. It giving Little House on the Prairie kind of vibe. I don't know the reference, but that's what I think of. I don't know what it means, but yeah, that's the vibe it gave. So I can wear that with this white shirt, with that white pants, if the white goes. So let's see. Hopefully that is not too cream and more white, or a black pants. This can be worn so many ways. It can be worn with that beret, that shoe and bag set. Guys. Next is a dress. So I bought a brown dress, one of those, y'all know these dress. SHEIN dress. Yeah, I did this one. This is so cute. I hope it's cute on person because I don't really like things high up like this, despite that shirt and this being so high up, because I got boobs, and when you have boobs, these can make you look like a Mona boob, and I really don't like that. But let's see how this looks. It gave a nice classy vibe on the website, on the app, so hopefully it does that on me. And last but not least is this shoe. I want some grown and sexy cute shoes, so I got this. This is a nice cognac brown pointed toe shoe. Yeah, very cute, very nice. Yeah, so that is it. That is it for my SHEIN haul. I hope you guys love. Like, tell me what you want to see, and give me some style advice, what you would wear what with, down below in the comments. Yeah, so comment on the girl's video so she can know, so now watch. Thank you. Bye guys, and remember to wear the best you for the world to see.